Hello everyone, Hariharan from Indicator Master and Guider. Happy to see you once again. This week analysis and same case previous week performance. What we have predicted in that last week. So we'll see now. Okay, this screen is the last week we predicted how the price movement will be there. That is what we have thought it, right? So this same screen is there in our YouTube. Okay, so you can see that. 1 minute. You can see that this is the tower level was given, right? So this is what resistance area and bottom how will go strong by where will start, like that. YouTube I have posted in that last week. This was the prediction, was our condition in YouTube, right? So while comparing that prediction, we'll see now. So same case, the price movement was started. Okay, if the bottom open was a gap down was happened. After that, the first day the price movement was traveled upside and the strong resistance was broken by the market. Okay, you see that first day itself the resistance was broken. Okay, so in this case we have thought it the market will move in that upward side. Okay, so same case it was happened, even though our strong buy also we have told that 3055. Okay, what happened the second day, the price was traveled in the upward side towards 3055, and the third day the price was broken only. Okay, so after broken, our level was given 3079, but it has touched 6 point below 3072. After that, due to our inventory day, actually the 1st July is our inventory day, right? So same case in this fairness of this market, the market was broken, right? So after touched this price. Okay, so for that this broken was happened. Why this price was come down? Because of our pandemic situation. Same case our inventory also forecast inventory I have shown now. What was the forecast? Here you can see now our forecast was okay minus side, right? Minus side, it is closer to positive, right? Whenever the price is in inventory is in positive, our price will come down. This was the main impact on that inventory market. But actual inventory has come in minus side, minus inventory, minus 7 million barrels was that inventory. Okay, so it was the inventory was drawn by the market. Okay, this was the meaning here. Who are all the new people? Here you can see the statement was very clear. Okay, whenever this inventory is coming in negative side, okay, you can refer the wordings. Okay, we are not very much expert in this, even though, but we need to be very careful on that, seeing the statements. If the increase in crude is less than expected, okay, less than expected means expected is a positive, or less than means expected more than less, the implies greater demand and bullish for crude price. The same can be said if a decline in inventories is more than expected. This statement should be very clear. It implies greater demand and bullish for the crude price. The same can be said if decline in inventories. This statement is matched here. You can see the decline in inventories, right? So now we can expect the crude oil in increase in price. That's what the market has also behaved. Okay, the sideways itself only. Okay, why this sideways itself? Why as per the inventory the price has to go up, but it's not going upside? That is also one meaning is there because of our pandemic situation. This here the statement was very clear. Okay, I can show now. This is EA statement. Okay, it is taken from EA reference only. The analysis had expected the inventory decline of 7 million barrels for the period, and the American Petroleum Institute had estimated a seizable inventory draw. This statement is much important to turn off 8.5 million barrels the last week comparative last week. This is the statement also. The EIA reported last week build 1.4 positive side was there, and after that previous week also positive was there. Here you can see the two actual inventory was the positive side. That's what the crude oil was in negative side only. Okay, and this week the negative has come. That's what we are expecting, that because of inventory less in the sense the people started consuming very fast outside. That's what now we are expecting, the crude oil price will be going up. Here also same they said that the aircraft and all started demand as slower recovery as air transport remains limited, aim to continue the pandemic situation. Even though the pandemic situations, slower recovery also it is happening. That is also main thing we can expect, that price will go up. Okay, so that's what the sideways was continued last 3 days. Okay, even though our resistance is 2980, 1 minute, resistance is 2980. This was the resistance is become a good support as behaved now. Okay, that's what's not crossed and falling down. So that is the main reason. Now what we are expecting, the same we can keep 3055. If crosses, market will go up. That is statement, there is no change at all. Okay, this week what is going to be happen, that we'll discuss now. Before going to discuss that, I request all, so last week also I posted the same. Okay, so live streaming we are planning, so please subscribe our channel, give the support to us. Why you need to subscribe? So the question also will come, how will be that live streaming also will be there. That is also will many questions will come. I can show that this is this screen is yesterday's screen. Okay, and this screens only I am sharing in Telegram channel. The Telegram channel links if you required. Okay, so the below is the link is there. Telegram channel also details is there. Okay, in our YouTube, any video if you take, okay, any videos, our videos will take, the Telegram channel link will be there. Okay, even some of the important video links I have given here. Okay, so but with meaning. Okay, so important things only I have given. If you want, you can open and you can see that and refer it. Okay, for this case only these things this is the yesterday call. Okay, so after our break, as per the breakout strategy 3011, if buy break happens, this will go up like that. We have given it same like that it was happened. Okay, sell also 2989, sell breakout, low made 2980, 9 points only the profit was there. Okay, so even though the strategy is mainly 7.51 points, 21 points like that strategy. So that's what we have considered as a profit one. Even upper side also it is yesterday was profit was there. So now we'll go to our analysis for the next week, right? This chart is I have prepared for our Tamil recording. Okay, here you can see that swing high, swing low I have selected here. Okay, so swing high, swing low 3072 I have taken here, hidden I think. Okay, here you can see that 3072 lower 2840 I have taken lower, right? Swing low. Okay, so here will be the swing low, here will be the swing high compared for this uptrend. Okay, strong support for this uptrend. Okay, same case 2929 will be strong resistance for this week, and same case we can declare this, we can consider this will be trend change. Okay, so we need to be very careful. Suppose if market, if it is volatile, this price will go according to this wave only, price will move. Okay, so we need to be play carefully, and we'll see up to this pandemic situations our price will move in the sideways. If this 3072 broken, okay, if broken this because 100% level, right? 1 minute, I will mark and show it. This is the 100% level 3072. If breaks, our level will be this level only, 3126, 6031883215. This level will be in our upper side level. Suppose if sell side if changed, okay, 2929 if price touches, after that we can expect that 2899 and 2840 will be this our level. Suppose if 2840 touches next level, what is going to be happen at that time I will show in the Telegram. Okay, just you can just click and join that whenever I am sending good information, that you can see. Otherwise I will be keep quiet. Okay, so that is for good information sharing, nothing in that in this, right? So what is you need to do in this two area? Okay, in this two area, 2983 and 2956. Sorry, I wrongly mentioned. Okay, 2956 and 2929. In between this area, we can expect this no trade zone. Okay, so if you are trading in this area, if prices touches, okay, you need to be very careful in this zone. Okay, so that's what I'm thinking it. Okay, so this, suppose if volatile area comes, this zone you need to be considered as a no trade zone. Okay, many times for my old videos also I have posted regularly where will be I'm marking no trade zone. Okay, so you need to be very careful if in this zone will be no trade zone. So otherwise our market will be in upper side. Even our CCA also is showing in that upside. Okay, thank you for watching. Next week we'll see. Okay, next week will be 6th July to 10th July will be our trading session, right? We'll see in that market, even the inventory also if comes, how it is going to be behave. So this week I given some of the hint how to see that inventory. Same case you can see. Okay, so the learnings will be there. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Okay, give the support. Once 1000 subscriber reaches, then only I can able to do this live streaming. So please do subscribe. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you. In our YouTube channel, many videos, educational videos is available. Okay, you can take them, choose, and you can see and refer the details. Okay, so one more thing, important thing I would like to share here. Okay, I'm conducting the training to all. Okay, so it is the training will be in a one-to-one online training will be there. It is charges will be minimum. Okay, you can get the details through my 1305702238. Okay, so you can cross check my Indicator Master and Guide Telegram number. Okay, some of the special days. Okay, not all the days. Many days I am sharing my levels. Okay, it is will be good level. Okay, so here the training will be Fibonacci drawing, how to draw, and Fibonacci important levels, and the entry and the exit, why we need to use, right? So next thing, super trend setting for crude oil. Okay, overall trading commodity sessions I will include this, and if they are doing equity, okay, Nifty or Bank Nifty, whatever it is, according to that I will share the settings to you. Okay, super trend, how to trade. Okay, so that is much important. In normal super trend, if you keep on trading, that will be failure will be more. So with some of the conditions will be there. That condition I will explain to you. Special thing I am showing here, like Ichimoku cloud, the importance to trade. Okay, so what is the importance of the trading using Ichimoku cloud? That is also I will explain. So the success rate will be much more. Okay, so subscribe our channel. Okay, even if you are interested, please message me for your training details. Okay, I will share that. I will share the charges details also. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel. Okay, thank you.